Hi, I'm Beth, and today we're going to go over a couple of frequently asked questions with Matt.
Sounds good. Where should we start?
So I think the first question is, how big exactly is the DaDo?
So you can see the DaDo is quite small behind us here, 34 by 34 by 34 centimetres. Great for a small workshop.
Yeah, amazing. And what kind of warranty does it come with?
Comes with a 2-year warranty on it.
Okay, perfect. So now that we know the DaDo has a 2-year warranty, are there any parts that need to be replaced?
The only consumable that needs to be replaced is the flash bulb, which will last a few years.
As we all know, you can change the spot size of larger laser welders.
Yeah.
What is the case with DaDo?
DaDo, you can change the spot size. It's sort of a manual sliding scale, so if you go furthest away from you, it's the smaller spot size, which is 0.2, and the closest to you is 1.5, which is the largest spot size. You can use halfway in between as well.
Many people ask about argon gas because they're used to puck welders.
Yeah.
Do I need argon gas with DaDo?
The only thing you'll need argon gas for is titanium. And you can see on here, a connection comes with it.
So is there a specific type of water that's required?
So you need the ionised water, and that's for the cooling system, which is quite a unique cooling system because once you put the water in, you don't need to keep topping it up, which is great because it makes it such a low maintenance machine.
And finally, how long is delivery?
When we have stock available, delivery is normally 1 to 4 days.
And so if you would like to find out more information or book a demo, please head over to our website or simply just give us a call. The details are on the screen now. Thanks for watching.